Why don't you tell us what happened to you on the way here?
I know the zip tie fall off, so my bumper is just scraping. I'm not gonna stop on the highway. Just get off the exit.
Let it fall off.
I'm not sure you can see the scrape over there, but
well, yeah, you can't see the scrape, but the bumper is in the back of the 240.
Everyone was looking at me like.
Well, we got some work to do on this at some point, but today's mission is clean up the old 7.3. I don't know if you could see that, but there is 11,000 miles worth of bug guts on the front. There's 11,000 miles worth of road grime on it. Oh God. And the trailer needs some serious cleaning too. I know we washed the outside in Florida, so the outside is pretty clean, but the inside needs some serious help. Also, I'm gonna be doing this video today on the GoPro, so let me know what you guys think. All of our other cameras are dead. We forgot to charge them last night. And if this is good, I'll just probably end up using this a little bit more because this is kind of easy to use. Let me see if I could use the mirror here to show you the setup. Yeah, look at that. GoPro handle, that's it. Super simple. I like filming like this better than walking around with all that bullshit, so let me know what you guys think.
Hey, sir, are you picking my Lamborghini?
Why are you taking your pants off?
It's hot. Yeah, you do. Fuck that.
We're back here.
We're back here at our
This is our domain, dude, yeah.
On the way here, I felt like the boys are back in town should have been playing in the background.
Dylan's out here with the 6.5. Pretty sure the first thing we're gonna do is just get all of the shit out of it, get the Miata out of it.
It feels so weird.
Go from there.
It feels so weird to come home after being on the road for a month and back in our daily grind, our daily routine.
I know.
It feels so
it
weird,
doesn't
but
feel like the daily grind
but
anymore.
it also feels right. So give it a week. It'll feel
Yeah.
right. We're gonna clean it all today. We can get some spray paint.
Let's do it all right. Let's do like. So what's the meanest spray paint you can find? The meanest
Like
spray
bed
paint.
liner?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. She needs a little bit of help. The trailer, I mean.
All right.
The cars, man.
Now we have to start disassembling our home.
There she is. She looks good. Don't forget, guys, this car can be yours. HaggardRacing.com. Read up on the rules for your chance to win this beaut. It's not done yet, too. We have a few things to do to it that we were planning on doing. We still have to mega squirt it, put the big injectors in, and then we have a body modification to do as well. All right, we're gonna check out the Genesis real quick. I gotta change the rear tires. I know that. I left them bald as shit. There she is. I missed this thing. I almost forgot what it looked like. Let's go take a look at the front again.
I gotta get these stumpy rims on my car.
Oh yeah. I gotta fix this. I gotta like attach a ratchet strap to here and pull it out a little bit because at full lock it rubs a tiny amount right there. I'm gonna do that today. But I got some cool shit in store here for this car. I missed the seat. Oh yeah.
It feels so nice.
It does. It's got that bass. All right, I'm gonna go pull this next to the other shop just so I could look at it. Ready for this frame bang? It's gonna be loud. Oh yeah. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try and get it at full lock. Hear that? That's it. That's not even full lock, so I gotta fix that today, definitely. No, it's good turning to the right. It's just to the left. That's junk.
So as you guys know, Orion's frame right here and the right tire on the passenger side is kind of hitting the wheel. So we're just attaching this tow strap and he's gonna.
So help me out. My truck's like that.
All right, go ahead. No.
Take the wheel off.
Yeah, I'll jack it up, take this wheel off, and just get in here and fucking
We have that small
fat sledgehammer.
Hammer.
Nick has come to join us. Don has already joined us. Getting this trailer all cleaned up. We're already like halfway done, just kind of jumped into it. I'll give you guys the little tour here. No, we'll come around the side.
I know.
What's up?
What's good,
Yeah,
dude?
I'm so stoked for you to be back.
What's
It
up?
feels so weird seeing the regulars.
I know, it does, it does.
Yeah, it really does.
Alright, so we got all this side shit taken apart here. Just a few of the cots out. We're actually gonna leave 2 of them in there because reasons that you will find out soon. But for the most part, it's nice and stripped out. No more carpets. Got the AC out, which is gonna go back in after we sweep it and shit. But this looks like a toolbox key. Looking nice and clean in here. Gotta get that. Oh, we use this wood here as a little drip pan for the, like, any car that's been in here. So I mean, the Miata is partially to blame here for that when the freeze plug popped out. But that's why we have it in here, to protect the floor, even though, as you can clearly see, there's still stains down there. But it's good. It's good now. Look at that, nice and clean. About to take the TV out real quick, bring that back home so we could use it in the living room. It's going well though. They're getting all the cots packed up in Dylan's truck.
Oh, he catch. Better than Carlos, Caleb. Way better than Carlos.
Got the trailer and the little Miata all packed away. We're kind of sitting here with a little bit of downtime because I gave Jimmy the key to our shop and we can't open it right now because he's at school, but he'll be here tonight. So in the meantime, Chow wants to send some spray cans on his 240. Careful, I got the TV back here.
No. TV for sales.
No. So we're going to Lowe's real quick. We're gonna go pick up Chow some cans of spray paint.
This is so bad idea. Fuck you, right?
Hey, it was your idea, man. I'm just giving you the ride to Lowe's. Alright, he's got the masking paper. I got the masking tape. Now we need the spray paint. We're gonna need probably 8 of those. Get that gloss black. No, don't get that double can. Put that goes here.
Damn it. They're trying to fuck me.
Yeah, they're trying to make you spend an extra $2. Oh no, this pocket is triple stuffed now. Dude, you keep grabbing the wrong cans.
What's right here?
Dude, they got it all mixed up. You're paying an extra $2 for those, dude.
I'm broke, so I need this.
There we go. 8 cans of black, some masking paper, masking tape. Let's go paint your car.
That doesn't work?
Yeah, look. It's literally upside down. So pretty much the idea here is to just make it all one color. Chow's been talking about spray painting it for, what, 3 or 4 months now? Since you got it, you've been wanting to spray paint it. So first day back, might as well make it happen. We're just gonna quickly rough up the red, you know, rough up the hood and shit with some 400 grit. I know that's pretty coarse thread in the, when we're talking automotive sanding, but we're spray painting the car. Literally costs us $30, like, for all the materials, so we're just gonna send it. Got this side all sanded. Look at this. Chow's rusty 240 cut the absolute fuck out of my finger. So I used a napkin and a zip tie to make a quick band-aid. But we're almost done sanding. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the hose so that we can wash the car, and then we'll start taping it up. Damn, Chow, you gotta clean these wheels. Look at all that brake dust coming off. Looks pretty good when it's a little bit wet. When all of it's nice and shiny. Gonna let the car dry up in the sunlight for a minute before we tape it all off. Still waiting for the shop key though, so we got time. Yeah, we need that shop key ASAP so we could actually paint this thing.
Jimmy, you suck.
Leaving us with no key. I let him use the key because he needed to use the press while we were gone, and he's stuck in finals right now, so I can't be too mad. He's making moves. Well, here's our progress so far. It's coming along. It's nice out though. Just trying to enjoy the weather. I heard Jimmy, dude. Is that him? Oh, he's coming around this way. Ooh. Look at this handsome young devil.
That can have a huge improvement.
That looks a little bit different from the last time we saw it. Look at this, dude.
Any improvements?
I do. Long time no see.
Darker than future.
Yeah, look at this. Look at the left.
Oh my god, this fucking the trucker arm.
Yeah, because we're about to try and paint that. We didn't want to do it outside.
No fucking way, really?
Alright. Look who decided to drop by, say hello to his old buddies, dude. Back from our first US tour. Look at this, dude. What are you working on here?
My homemade flagpole.
Does she fly, dude?
Oh yeah.
There we
It
go.
holds up at like 70 miles an hour.
That's a big ass flag, dude. Jesus.
Size 3x5.
3x5. The Lanch.
You like my flagpole holder? I made it.
Let's take a gander.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh no, dude, it's wood? Oh, Jesus, tone bone. Hey, I mean, it works though, right? Have you gone on the highway?
Dude, I drove here on the highway.
And
I
it
hit
was
like
mint.
80.
There we go. Literally, while you were gone, Chow was like, let's paint my car. And I was like, okay. So we got it all taped up. It's looking good. Everyone's getting their spray cans ready.
Good old Rust-Oleum. This is the go-to for Haggard Garage.
Finally got the shop opened up, so everyone's got a can in hand right now. Let's do it. Jimmy is bringing us our own boombox.
That is so kind of you, Jimmy.
Look at that.
That's the generosity.
Already looking better.
Did anyone else notice how fucking clean it was in here?
Yeah.
Very clean.
Thank you, Jimmy.
So much time here.
Thank you for the assistance.
You're welcome, because coming home to a nice clean spot is the greatest thing in the world. So you guys are ready to work, get shit done. and-
Absolutely. We need to make so many moves right now. All the moves need to be made.
It's like I'm filtering it through my body before I go down.
Well, there you guys go. Got a lot done today. Got Chow's car all painted, looking nice and neat, one color. Got the trailer all packed away, all cleaned up.
Oh, misplaced my phone.
Oh no. Unfortunately, I did not get to fix this here today. I'll probably do it tomorrow. It's just getting laid out, getting real dark, a little bit nippy, so everyone's trying to pack it up and leave.
Oh yeah, I fixed my my starter, my Durango. I know
Oh,
a
yeah,
lot of you guys
shit.
were asking, is it dead? Did you sell it? No, she's outside. She's well.
We'll take a
she's
peep in a
driving,
minute.
so.
Get that light. And as always, guys, don't forget to click the link in the description.
The Miata giveaway is still live. It could be yours. Go read the official rules and enter for your chance to win.